Hello students, in our previous video we have completed past indefinite tense. Today I am going to start past continuous tense. Students, in past continuous tense, this tense expressed actions which were in progress in the past. This tense expressed action which were in progress in the past and had yet not been complete at that time. The action which were in progress in the past. This tense shows the action which were progress in the past. Past continuous tense. Students, helping verb which are used in this sentence, was and were. Was and were helping verbs are used in past continuous tense. Main verb, as a main verb we use verbs first form with ing. Was, we use was in singular subject and I. We use was helping verb with singular subjects and I. Were, we use were in plural subjects. Okay. Affirmative sentences. Now formation of sentences. First of all, affirmative sentences. Okay, the structure is this: subject plus was were helping verb plus verb first form with ing plus object at last full stop. Look the examples, students. One example is she was washing her hair. She was washing her hair. She is the subject. Was is a helping verb. Washing is a verb first form with ing. Her hair, object. Okay, students, she is a singular subject. So we use here was helping verb. And another example, they were learning their lesson. They is a subject, were is a helping verb, learning is a verb first form with ing, their lesson is a object. Okay, there is a plural subject, so we use here were helping verb. Okay, now negative sentences. How we make negative sentences? So look the structure, look the pattern. How we make subject plus was were helping verb plus not. In negative sentences, we use not after helping verb plus verb first form plus dash dash dash. Whatever comes after verb's first form, we write here. It lasts full stop. So look students, example. One example is we were not sleeping on the table. We were not sleeping on the table. Be is a subject, were is a helping verb, not is used for negative sense. Sleeping is a verb first form with ing. On the table is the object. Okay, be is a plural subject, so we use here were helping verb. Okay, and another example is he was not buying a cow. He was not buying a cow. He is a subject, was is a helping verb, not is used for negative sense. Buying is a verb first form with ing. A cow is a object. Look students, he is a singular subject, so he is a singular subject, so we use here helping verb was. Okay, now third is interrogative sentences. How we make interrogative sentences? Interrogative sentences which starts from helping verb. So the pattern is was verb, helping verbs come first, plus subject plus verb first form with ing plus dash 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 at last interrogative sign. So look the example, students. First example is was Mohan abusing his servant? Interrogative sign. Was is a helping verb, Mohan is a subject, abusing is a verb first form with ing, his servant object. Okay students, so Mohan is a singular subject, so we use here was helping verb. This sentence is a yes and no type interrogative sentence. Another example, what was he doing in the room? This example is WH word type interrogative sentence. Okay, how we make WH word type interrogative sentence? We write WH word first and after that helping verb, and after helping verb subject and verb first form with ing in the room. The room is object. At last interrogative sign. What was he doing in the room? He is a singular subject, so we use here helping verb watch. Okay, students, this is a WH word type interrogative sentence. How we make? First of all, we write WH word, and after that helping verb. After helping verb, we write subject, and after subject verb first form with ing in the room. The room is the object. It last interrogative sign. Students, in interrogative sentences, interrogative sign is must. Interrogative negative sentences. How we make interrogative negative sentences? So, look the structure. Was verb. Sentences which start from helping verb. So, helping verb comes first. Was verb plus subject plus not plus verb first form with ing plus dash 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 at last interrogative sign. So students, in interrogative negative sentences, what we do? The not comes after the subject. Not comes after the subject. So look the example. Were those boys not, sorry, were those boys not making a noise? It last interrogative sign. Were is the helping verb. Those boys is a subject. Not is used for negative sense. Making is a verb first form with ing. A noise is a object. It last interrogative sign. Okay, those boys is a plural subject. So we use here were helping verb. Okay. Second example is, why was the farmer not plowing his field? Last interrogative sign. This is example of WH word type interrogative sentence. So how we make? We write WH word first, and after that helping verb, subject, and after subject we use not, and plowing verbs first form with ing, and at last is field object. Interrogative sign. Okay students, the farmer is a verb first form. Okay, sorry, the farmer is a singular subject, so we use here was helping verb. Okay, why was the farmer not plowing his field? In interrogative negative sentences, not comes after the subject. Okay, uses. In which conditions we use past continuous tense? So look students, first uses expressions which have two actions. Expressions which have two actions. One of them show continuity while other occurs for short interval in the past. When two actions come, one of them, one action shows continuity. One action shows continuity while other occurs for short interval in the past, and other action shows the short interval in the past. Past को show करता है, and one action shows the continuity while other shows the past. Past the short interval in the past. So look example. Mahesh was reading a novel when I went in. In this sentence, Mahesh was reading a novel. This sentence expresses continuity while when I went in. This sentence shows the short interval in the past. This sentence shows the short interval in the past. While Mohan was reading a novel, the first sentence expresses the continuity of action. The first sentence express the continuity of action. Mohan was reading a novel while, and second action is express short interval of past. Short interval in the past. I went in. Okay. And second uses. This tense is also used in two sentences joined together with while. Students, this tense, past continuous tense is also used with two sentences which joined together with while. जो किससे joined होते हैं? While से joined होते हैं two sentences. Then we use past continuous tense. Look example. I was reading a story while Hari was writing letter. Look students here. Two sentences joined together with while. So we use here past continuous tense. I was reading a story while Hari was writing letters. When two sentences joined with while, we use past continuous tense. Okay students.